Hi friends, this is 5 Mr. YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can change engine oil in your bike yourself. First of all, you go to open this cap of engine oil tank. Using a cutting plier, just open it. I open this cap and I take out of the cap from the engine oil tank. And it will have a needle. At the needle, you can check the engine oil level. Here level is medium. However, I would like to change engine oil immediately because I hadn't changed engine oil for a long time. So if you hadn't changed it long time, you should change it immediately for smooth performance of a bike. So here at the bottom of our bike you will see a nut. You have to loosen this nut to drain out of engine oil from your bike. First of all, you should keep a bowl under this hole so that engine oil will be directly poured into if you loosen the nut completely. I loosen it and I take out of the nut from the bottom of engine oil tank as it is draining out, and all engine oil from your bike will be drained out and it will be poured here. Yes, it is pouring completely. If possible, just incline your bike so that completely all oils from your bike will be drained out. You have to patiently wait. It will take a long time. Drop by drop, it will be drained out. After inclining my bike, there will be some more additional drainage as just you have to wait. And after completely draining out, just take out of this engine oil that should be discarded, and here again you go to put the engine oil tank nut here at the bottom. Again you go to tighten it with nut. Replace the nut here and tighten. You go to tighten it finely so that no oil can be leaked after you pour fresh oil. Using a spanner, just completely tighten firmly. Yes, I have done it. And now bring engine oil, fresh engine oil. You should buy official engine oil, that is company engine oil. This is Yamaha because I would like to use it in my Yamaha bike, Yamaha SS 125. Remove the cap of this bottle and remove the cap completely. And now this oil should be poured into the tank of our bike, engine oil tank of our bike. Just loosen the cap again and take out of this engine oil cap. And here, if possible, you can use a funnel or you can use this tool to, this is coconut shell. Just you use this tool and you can pour it easily. In some bike, the boring cannot be easily done, so you can use a tool like this. For perfect one, you can use funnel. It is not suitable for me, my bike. By normal method, just without any additional device, I can pour it. Yes, I pour fresh oil into my bike. So this is the input of engine oil tank. So I just Pour fresh engine oil here after tining out of all old engine oil from my bike, and replace the cap again and tighten it. Tighten it with cutting plier. Tighten it firmly. Yes, you are done now. I have changed engine oil now. So in this way, you can easily change engine oil in your bike yourself. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.